Thank you for joining us for this video on how to use Touchstone Clarion SF adhesive. Touchstone Clarion SF is a versatile two-part styrene-free vinyl ester adhesive. It's ideal for seaming, laminating, mitering, filling, and repair across a variety of stone and other hard surfaces. Through significant research and development, we've created a styrene-free adhesive formula that delivers outstanding clarity, smooth consistency, superior adhesion, and seamless compatibility with Touchstone tints. Clarion SF is available in 3 viscosities: number 1, flowing, number 5, knife grade, and number 9, high viscosity. And all 3 viscosity options are available in multiple convenient sizes, including the Super Saver Kit. Why styrene-free? According to ERA Environmental, short and long-term exposure to styrene can pose health risks, can impact the environment, and can compromise indoor air quality. In fact, OSHA, the EPA, and many international governing bodies have set limits on styrene exposure and emissions. Why settle for a typical vinyl ester with styrene? Touchstone Clarion SF is clearly different. Now let's move on to reviewing the tinting, mixing, and application processes. When using any of our products, Bondstone recommends the use of appropriate safety apparel, as well as reviewing safety and technical data sheets. The materials needed for use with this product include mixing sticks, eye protection, gloves, and optional Touchstone tints for tinting. To prep the surface for adhesion, remove any dirt, loose chips, and other foreign matter prior to application. For optimal performance, the components and the substrate should be brought to room temperature prior to mixing or applying. The mix ratio for this product is 98:2, or 98 parts of Part A to 2 parts of Part B. This is equivalent to a golf ball size portion of Part A to a pea-sized portion of Part B. Touchstone Clarion is compatible with all Touchstone tints. To tint Clarion SF prior to application, begin by mixing 1 drop of tint to a golf ball sized portion of Part A and mix. Continue adding tint by single drops until you've achieved the desired color. Note, you will have ample time to adjust the color as Part A will remain stable until Part B is added. Next, mix in Part B. Once Part B is added, you will have roughly 5 minutes of workable time. Now apply the mixed Clarion SF to your prepared stone surface. Allow material to cure in ambient conditions. The bond will be tack-free in approximately 20 minutes. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Touchstone Clarion SF adhesive manufactured by Bondstone.